Hi friends, my name is Ritesh and today I would like to show you that how we can create a map visual in Power BI and how we can create that particular map visual dynamic also. Okay, so I have this like small data for your understanding which has states and their total COVID cases. Okay, so what I will do, I will take this map visual. Okay, just place this here, drag the states in my location. Okay, and total cases in size. Okay, now just make it some big so that it will be visible to you. Make the category on. Okay, make the bubble size also like some big. Okay, suppose it is 24 or you can increase somewhat or so. Now that is this is fine. Map controls is like zoom buttons I will on, auto zoom I will off. Okay, now just place this here, just make it this small. Yeah, yeah, this one is fine I think. So it is showing me Maharashtra cases, okay, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. But I want to like separate it by colors also. I want to give Maharashtra different color, Karnataka different, okay, Andhra Pradesh different. So what I will do, I will go to this data tab, create a new column, okay. I will use the like I will name this as color of states, okay. Color of states. I will use the switch function, switch true, okay. Switch true. In value 1 I will give my column name which is states, okay, equal to suppose Maharashtra, okay. So it will be suppose red because it has a maximum number of cases, so that's why I'm giving it red color. Okay, now I will again select my column which is states, okay. States equal to states equal to it will be Karnataka, okay. And suppose the color will be, I will give the color as it will be orange, okay. Now the third state will be Maharashtra, sorry, not third state will be Andhra Pradesh, okay. Andhra Pradesh, okay. I will give the color as suppose yellow, okay. For rest of the do I will give the color as blue, okay. Now close this and hit enter now. So like it is working as fine, so it is providing me the colors on the basis of their states. Now how to select this here, just format, this format tab is already like on, and just uh, go to the data colors, okay. Data colors, go to this conditional formatting option, select this field value, select this calculated column which is color of state, just click on ok and see that it will, the colors are dynamically changed, okay. So now it is automatically changed. Now let me take a slicer here and let me drag these states in my slicer, okay. Let me make this the like it will be like font also, this one, okay. And what I will do, it will be, I will make this selection control, I will make the select all option, okay. Now what I want to do, I want like if I am selecting Andhra Pradesh suppose, so it is showing me Andhra Pradesh data, and like if I am selecting Maharashtra, it is showing me Maharashtra data. But along with this, I want this title should also be changed dynamically, okay. So I will go to this title tab, okay. Go to this format and go to this title, make this center, okay, and make this as bold, okay. Now I will be creating new measure so that my dynamically should be my title should be automatically changed, okay. So I will name this as title, okay. It will be suppose in double quotes I will write it total cases by, okay, and I will use selected value function here. Selected value, okay. Column name will be state, okay. Alternate result will be all states, okay. Just close this and hit enter now. Now I will select this title option from the format tab. Title, go to this conditional formatting, okay. Field value is already selected, just select this title and click OK. So it is showing me all states. If I am clicking on Andhra Pradesh, so it is showing me dynamically Andhra Pradesh here, okay. And here is value Kerala, it's Kerala data and the title of with Kerala, okay. Maharashtra data and the title will Maharashtra, okay. Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu in title and there is its value, okay. Now you can also like show this value in tooltip. So I will show you how. Let me create a new page here, okay. Go to page information, all this tooltip, go to page size, on this select this tooltip, select this graph, okay. Drag the states in axis, okay, and total cases in values, okay. Make the data levels on, okay. From data colors, just select the colors same as like map, okay. Go to field value and select this color of states, so it will be dynamically changed. So as you see that it is dynamically changed, okay. And for title also you can select the same which you have selected in map visual. Go to this conditional formatting option, field value is already selected, go to this title and click on OK. So it is showing us fine. Now how to show this in my map visual? Just go to this format option again, go to this tooltip, in report page just select this page second. Now if I have pointing my cursor toward this graph, it is showing me the total case of Maharashtra, total cases for this Andhra Pradesh, total cases for Tamil Nadu, total cases for Kerala in this zoom tooltip, okay. And here from here also if I have been selecting, so the title is changing, value is changing, and plus this tooltip is also showing us fine, okay. Karnataka, okay, orange color, same as title, and this zoom tooltip, okay. Maharashtra in red color, okay, and this title and this in this zoom tooltip, okay. Tamil Nadu blue color, okay, and this title, okay. Kerala in this blue color and in this title, okay. So this is how we can create the map visual interactive and more dynamic, okay. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video please subscribe this channel. Thank you.